Okay, so for our second installment, we're gonna be using Wamp server to create databases and linking with Access 2010. Alright, so I've already downloaded and installed Wamp server. So I'm just gonna click on it and put it online. Alright, you can see here. Alright, it's supposed to change the green. See, alright, now Wamp server is online. So we're gonna go into Wamp server, you're left clicking, and you're gonna go into PHP My Admin. It's gonna launch a web page. Alright, so now that we're in here, you're supposed to use the test. Alright, so you click on test, and we're just gonna create some tables. We're gonna create a table. We're gonna name this table student information, and we're gonna put how many columns? Let's say 4 columns or 5 columns. And oh, alright. So now we're just gonna fill in this information. We're gonna have first name. First name, we're gonna have it as text. Last name, text. Age as an int. Gender, we're gonna have it as text. And address. Alright, there's that sex as well. And for the lengths, we're gonna do 50. Some people, 50 is a lot, but whatever. Age, we're gonna have 2. If it's a student, I don't think they're gonna pass 100 years old. 6 here. And address, we'll have 225. That's good. Alright. Alright, so you're just gonna click save here. And our table should be created. Yes, student information. Alright, so we have this here, and now we want to connect to Microsoft Access. We're gonna connect this, and we're gonna see these coming up in our Microsoft Access. So okay, so in order to connect your Microsoft Access to the Wamp server, you're gonna need your ODBC connector. Alright, so I already downloaded this. Let's start it up and run the install. Can run. Next. I accept. Custom installation. Alright. Okay, next. Install. Alright. Now you're just gonna wait on this to install, and then we're gonna run Microsoft Access. Alright. Okay, so the SQL connector is finished installing, and we're gonna continue now by going into Microsoft Access. Alright, so I need to run my Microsoft Access as administrator, so I'm just gonna right click here and click run as administrator. Yes. Alright, and I already have my database here, so we're just gonna click on that. And alright, so I already deleted the table, so I'm just gonna click on external data, and ODBC database. Alright, we're gonna link to the data source by creating a link table. You select OK. That's because we already created the table in Wamp server. We're clicking on new system data source. Alright, we're gonna click next there. Alright, now we're gonna scroll down, and where's my driver? Alright, here it is, my SQL ODBC driver. We click on next there and finish. We're gonna name the data source client server, and leave everything else as it is. We're gonna test. Hold on. We need to select the database. So we use test. Alright. And we're just gonna test this connection to see if it works. The connection was successful. So now we're gonna press OK here. And here we have the client server that we just created. We're gonna click on OK. Tables, we're gonna select student information from what we created in Wamp server. We're gonna click OK here, and you're gonna need to select all the fields that you created. We're gonna click OK. Okay. Alright, so student information comes up here, and here we have it: first name, last name, age, gender, address. Alright, so there you have it. You can see that this was connected using Wamp server. That's the end of the video, so thanks for watching.